contains explicit language.
Not long ago, I went to see the music producer Rick Rubin. He lives in Malibu. We'd never met in person before, but we'd been talking which would be a place for us and others to tell stories about music. All kinds. Where some come from, how they're made, why they go. Rick lives in a strange, minimalist house overlooking the ocean, and he has a room which is all white. White walls, white floor, with nothing in it except a white couch and this elaborate sound system.
Yeah.
A car accident. Somebody bumped me from the back.
Bumped you what?
Hit me from the back.
Are you mobile or?
I don't know. I'm shaking.
Yeah.
I think it's his fault, so.
Well, yeah, they hit you from the back. But you're okay?
Are you alright?
Yes. Freak me out.
Okay. Alright, just leave your car for a minute.
Okay.
Are you off the road? I mean, like...
I'm in the center of the road. He is behind me. He's not movable, so it doesn't matter if I move or not. Shoot. Oh, my Mini Cooper.
911, what's the address of your emergency?
We have a car accident here.
Okay, where we're at?
Edinburgh. I don't know the road. Edinburgh, PA, and then it's right next to the YMCA.
So you're at 6N?
Yes, you are right. Oh no, I don't know if my Mini Cooper is still be fixable. It's so weird, like I was literally looking at, oh shit, the guy behind me is not stopping, you know. Like I instantly said, oh my goodness, I'm gonna have an accident now. Like he literally pushing me. I'm so glad no car in front of me, you know.
So here's the damage to the Mini Cooper. They did determine it as totaled and paid it out. Erie Insurance was the insurance for the other driver, and they were actually super helpful and super nice. Our insurance was State Farm, but yeah, they paid it, no questions. Didn't have to argue with them too much. But now the Mini Cooper is off to the auction somewhere, I suppose. Hope you enjoyed. Actually, I hope you didn't enjoy, because it was a terrible experience. But like, subscribe, all that good stuff, and have fun. Be careful. Watch out for everybody else. Don't be running into people's cars. Thanks much.